Kementerian ke sorkar pedeng ke bapet tnad finance but corporate affairs ke Nirmala Sitharaman minta ke sngi ke paidbah ke organic spice processing plant behe tam ke thaiñ syate lamingi ke badan halum dat kala Bhoirymbong Ribhoi district ke karkhana late ke Eastern Ribhoi Organic Farmer Producer Company Limited ringkat ke Meghalaya Basin Management Agency ke jenglut ke bakot kumba laipho klur tingka Yakapisa labeda ke International Fund for Agriculture Development, Lyngba ke Meghalaya Livelihood and Access to Market Project, but ke MBMA Lyngba ke Focus Program. Kini ke karkhana ke lalong ru mau jam bakong san ha ke jingpen klan ke rap ke riang ke jela ke bala kami lenti bakan pen kieu ke dor bat ke yo jeng ke mar rap ke using usen rai bar usomerit Lyngba ke jingpen wandur bat ke jingpen mi ke mar ke bala dapsan. Lakmi lentiru bakni ka karkhana kan laban pinmi palat 10,000 metric ton ke marrap man la usnam bat kan ajing mentoy ya palat 1,000 sans pangut ke nongrap ha ka te ka than nalor kata kani ka project kan yarap ban pen khlan ye ka jingyat yo jang ke marrap shaki yo ki hat bapher bat ban penduna ye ke jingdan kam ban shalan na shabar jala ka jala Hagani sngi ke Eastern Ribhoi Organic Farmer Producer Company Limited but ki company bapher ke le soiru ya ke memorandum of understanding ban kentiu bat pinyat yo ya ki marrap ki baladap san na kene ka karkhana la sakhi ya ke jingalang da ke jingdan lang umentri rangba ke jela Meghalaya ukanrat ke sangma umentri rangba ke jela Sikkim uprim seng tamang usembut menteri rangba ke jela upreston tensong ki menteri sorkar ki MLA ki officer sorkar na ke jela bat district na lor ki nong mi khamat jang ki kynhun nong rap bat ki wei bat ki riew rangba
Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman kynhun nak bentar sini. Thank you. We are also happy to have the participation of next we call Senator India Organic Private Limited, and after Mr. Mohit Kumar, we call upon National Cooperative Organics Limited, we welcome Mr. Thaiñ.
While as the finance minister of the country, the big decisions are very critical. But the human side of realizes the importance of these small things that make that little difference in our farmers and in our people's lives, which for us looks very small, but for every farmer it is a game-changing development that has taken place. And to be able to recognize that is the quality that I have noticed in our finance minister. So ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause to our respected finance minister for all the efforts that she makes to ensure that every citizen's life is touched and is improved and positive changes come out of them. In the last 8 years, it has been the endeavor of our government to precisely make those small changes in our farmers' lives. For us, one of the most important driving factors And for me, maybe one of the most important objectives is to be able to make a positive difference in a person's life. And I always tell even a large gathering that for me, when I can make a person smile and I can impact their lives, which would lead to them smiling, I think that is the greatest satisfaction that I can get. And for me, that is maybe one of the most important motivational factors also. To be able to see a smile on my citizens' faces. Today, 11 such units are functional throughout the state. On an average, each unit supports on an average 5,000 farmers. That means about 55,000 lives and families have been impacted by these small steps that we have taken. And I was just telling Madam before I came here to speak that we did not invent what is happening out here. The people have been doing this for ages, for years if not decades.
Last week I had visited some of the units, not for ginger, not for any of these products, but for those local dryland area farming products. I would think there's so much of learning for those units which are in North Karnataka, which I personally monitor, for them to learn from the quality that you've set up here. Very well done, Meghalaya. The transformation underway in Riew therefore shows how targeted investments, community participation and institution building can actually create durable and inclusive development outcomes. This project also demonstrates the power of leveraging externally aided and convergence financing for grassroots transformation. Later in the day, I will attend foundation stone laying ceremony of multiple external aided projects. Consider what this plant will handle. Media is present here, and I would specifically like to draw their attention on what this plant will be handling. Lacadon turmeric, which received its GI tag status in 2024, carries a curcumin content of 7 to 12%, more than twice the level found in most commercially traded Indian turmeric varieties, and is valued by wellness, nutraceutical and functional food markets globally. It is indeed the miracle spice of Meghalaya. This unit will be handling that as well. Meghalaya ginger is the other product which this unit is handling. There are two varieties, Naduh and Varada variety, is earning recognition for low fiber content, plumpy rhizomes, and excellent dry matter recovery. The global ginger market is projected to approach $7 billion by the year 2030. The highest growth segment within this market is certified organic ginger sourced from traceable high integrity origin. Meghalaya is precisely that origin, and Meghalaya's ginger meets the traceability test, and therefore here you're dealing with two almost premier products which has global standards. For decades, many regions exported raw produce and imported prosperity. The objective today is fundamentally different. We must export finished products, trusted brands, and world-class quality while retaining value, jobs, and livelihoods within the region And that's what you are achieving here today.